How you doing, guys? Junon's barber. I'm going to start here with a T-liner to do my first line. I'm using my senior clothes here to raise the hair, to take off the hair in the bottom. Be sure you go a couple of times to be sure it's clean. All around, make sure you do a straight line. I'm using the shaver to clean more, you know what I mean. I always go back with a straight razor, but and make it easier for me, you know what I mean, to take everything off, all the hair off with a shaver and just clean up with a straight razor. I'm using the 1/16 open. I'm making a new line to make it easier. Now I'll go with no guard, open. I always like to open the guard and go back down, close it, and step by step keep opening. And once you up, you know what I mean, that you erase the line already. Little steps. I'm using a T-liner here to erase the rest of the line. I'm right here to the corner. Why not? Remember, guys, this is a flat top. You know what I mean? You have to go high. Here I'm using the number 2. That's the biggest scars I'm gonna use. Number 2. I'm going back with number 1. Erasing the line right here, guys. Just erase the line. Here, guys, I'm not going to talk the same step what I did before. Just enjoy the music and watch the haircut.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Here, using a comb all the way up in the front. Start there, Make sure your comb's flat. Go to the side, do the same thing. Freehand, always good to do freehand, people, ladies. Push it down like that and cut it. Push it down and cut it. Try and do most of the work freehand. It's better for you, and make it easier for you to make it flat and even. That's the main thing. Always clean the clientele. Each new towel, new clientele. Please do not use the same. Here I'm doing more detail. I always like to do detail. Clean. The more clean, the better look. The better look, the more happy the client is. That's the main thing. Client being happy. This particular client, he like a little higher in the front from the back. It's still flat, so that's the way he like it. I'm doing the same thing here. Brush it up. Now I go from the back. I look from the front all the way to the back. Like I say, he always liked the back a little longer from the front. I don't know why. That's the way he liked his flat top. I've been cutting this person almost a year. We do a lot of flat tops and soft royal. Right here I'm using the Easy Blade paste. That's how much you need, people. Yeah, I'm doing it again. I did it the first time, I'm doing it again. Because I want that hair to be flat and perfect for the clientele. I brush it up. Be sure everything's up. Like I say, this clientele always like the front a little lower from the back. Here I'm using the Easy Blade shaving cream. Like I say, I always like to have that clean. I'm using the hot towel right here. Now using the straight razor. Please stress the skin when you're shaving to make it easy for you, more comfortable, and cut them like that either. Cut behind the ear. I'm sorry you can't see it, but cut behind the ear. There's always hair hiding behind the ear when you're doing a cut like this. I do the corner right here in the spot. A lot of clientele who come to me, they say, "Oh, I got skin fade, but they got left some hair in the back of the ear." Like customer do not, a lot of barbers do not notice that. Shave, the more clean, the better for you. You want always a happy client coming to you. Thank you for watching, and for more products, the website's right there in the bottom of the corner. Thank you.